No bad. Yeah, I'm rich as fuck now and they hating, they hear me. That shit crazy cause it's my family. Slimey9inero, I'm up next, fucking. Yo, bitch for the sheets, you know it. My lady know better, she know it. Quit sucking that hoe, you bogus. Ain't gon' say your name, broke uncle. From now on, call me big nut. I'm slime as a fucking you next. Tell bro, fuck cut, now you stress. That's not your pussy, nigga, she said it. She you got order protection. Civil courtroom, you the one yelling. Talking about something, that's my residence. Tell the judge that you was a visitor. You been to jail for being a children up. They don't fuck with you cause you with as fuck. Credit me and my girl, I be smoking wood. All facts when I'm rapping, I'm serious. Britney say your life, bitch, period. I was so turned, I was scaring the kid. Damn little cuz like bitch, cuz with it. I'm like this for anybody in my city. Like nigga, I'm lit, no diddy. Man, what you trying, you can miss me. Micah father, lead a nigga, no kids. Industry, my TP, Britney ain't innocent. She was on FaceTime, whole time here. Niggas can't bully me, but full of NBS. He called y'all ass off for that bullshit. We ain't get no help, we was homeless. 2 years later in the home feel cozy. Got a down pack and then on it. They envious cause they like hitting bogus. Hey, niggas shut the fuck up. That ain't my fault, should've been more supportive. That's what I thought, me and baby ignoring. The life for the party, y'all ass be boring. Got your car started, I'm all for it. My first album ain't going on tour. Yo, bitch for the streets and you know it. My lady know better, she know it. Quit stopping that hoe, you bogus. They gon' say your name, bro. From now on, call me big now. I'm slime as a fucking you next. Tell bro, fuck cut, now you stress. That's not your pussy, nigga, she said it. She you got order protection. Civil courtroom, you the one yelling. Yo, bitch for the streets and you know it. Yo, bitch for the streets and you know it.
Damn, BT.